Welcome to Module 2 of the Ventus training for PMC students. In this video, we are looking at the Profile tab, and we'll cover how to add a disability and its supporting documentation. If, for example, your disability has changed, was not listed for some reason, or a new disability has occurred since last semester, Ventus allows you to change or update this information. On the Profile tab, you can add disability information by clicking the blue Add Disability Information button on the right side of the screen, opposite the Disability Details heading. This opens the Add Disability Information dialog box. In this dialog box, you can select the disability type, accessing the list of disabilities by clicking the down arrow. For this example, we will add a temporary disability, like a broken arm. So we will choose mobility impairment. You can add additional details about your disability in the Describe Disability optional text field. We add the detail that it is a broken arm. You would then answer the Is this condition permanent question by clicking the down arrow and selecting yes or no. For a temporary disability, we would choose no. If you chose no to the question above and know how long the disability will last, you would enter the time frame in the Expected Duration of Disability If Known field. If you chose yes to the question above, the Expected Duration field disappears. In the Documentation field, click the down arrow for the options to attach documentation, fax it, mail it, or drop it off. If you chose the Will Attach File option, the Add Attachments Upload functionality appears. Click the Browse button to find the documentation on your computer, and then click the Open button. If there are multiple files, click the blue Add Another File button to add each individual file. If you make a mistake and add the wrong file, you can click the yellow Remove button to delete it, and browse again. When the documentation has been added, click the green Add Disability Information button. This would bring you back to the profile page where you can see that the disability and its supporting documentation has been added. Note that if you had forgotten to upload supporting documentation, you can still add it afterwards by clicking the blue Add Attachments button next to that listed disability. Now you'll see that under the Disability Details heading, the disability is listed as unconfirmed until your coordinator receives and reviews the documentation. Thanks for exploring Ventus and how to add a disability and its supporting documentation. In the next video, we move on to Student Module 3, where we will cover how to verify template accommodations and make an accommodations request.